Welcome back to science class. Today we will discuss about conditions necessary for combustion. Three conditions which are necessary for combustion are: first is presence of a combustible substance. Second is presence of a supporter of combustion. Third is attainment of ignition temperature of the combustible substance. These three conditions necessary for combustion are also called triangle of fire. Let us discuss these conditions in detail. First is combustible substances. The presence of combustible substances like paper, wood, LPG and petrol are necessary for combustion to take place. The process of combustion cannot occur without a combustible substance. Second is supporter of combustion. Combustion is a chemical reaction between a combustible substance and oxygen present in air to produce heat. A combustible substance does not burn in the absence of oxygen. When the supply of oxygen is cut off, then the process of combustion also stops. Let us perform an activity to show that oxygen is essential for combustion of a substance. Place two lighted candles on the table. Place an inverted glass over one candle. The flame of the candle flickers, produces smoke and gets extinguished. The candle burns only as long as the oxygen is present in the inverted glass. The uncovered candle continues to burn. We get down to the conclusion that the presence of oxygen is an essential requirement for the combustion to take place. Attainment of ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire and starts burning is called ignition temperature. It is also called kindling temperature or ignition point. It is necessary to heat a combustible substance to its ignition temperature so that it may undergo combustion. Different substances have different ignition temperatures. Some of the substances have low ignition temperature. For example, paper, splinter of wood, straw, LPG, biogas, etc. The substances like petrol, kerosene, ether have very low ignition point, so they can catch fire easily. Such substances are called inflammable substances. Some of the substances have high ignition temperature. For example, coal, charcoal, log of wood, cow dung. They cannot easily catch fire with a flame are called flammable substances. Let us perform an activity to show that a combustible substance does not catch fire if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Take two paper cups. One is empty and other is filled with water. Put these cups on the flame. What will we observe? The empty paper cup quickly catches fire, while in the second cup, the heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to the water by conduction. Thus, the paper cup does not reach its ignition temperature and does not burn. From this activity, we conclude a combustible substance does not catch fire if its temperature is below its ignition temperature.